Hi guys, in this video we are going to create an UEFI bootable USB drive or DVD for Windows 10. UEFI is Universal Extendable Firmware Interface that's supposed to replace BIOS interface for PCs. For this you need to have media creation tool to download official Windows ISO file from the Microsoft website. Open media creation tool. You can download this exe file from the Microsoft site. In fact, downloads.microsoft.com, link in the description. This Windows 10 set of media creation tool needs to do some homework. Agree the terms and conditions. And then you can see you have two options to either to upgrade your current PCs or download an entirely new version of Windows 10 ISO file. You can also select language, architecture and editions, or you can use the recommended options based on this PC's current architecture, language and edition of Windows 10 being used. Again, you have two options, either to create USB flash drive, for which you need to have at least 8 GB, or ISO file which you can bond to your DVD later. The best way is to use USB flash drive, and that's all. You don't need to do extra homework. But if you download ISO, then you need to do the extra homework. That's what we are going to show here. Download the official ISO from this media creation tool. Here we have already downloaded. The official Windows ISO file is downloaded and ready. Open your disk management, and then you can see the list of disk. We have disk 0, 1, 2, 3. Disk 2 or I partition I is our pen drive or external USB drive. Windows ISO file is approximately a 4 GB that we downloaded from the media creation tool. Now we can see that our DVD drive or partition G is the one which we just extracted the ISO file into. Just take a note of this mounted Windows ISO drive, that's G drive, and then also notice the disk drive we are going to use, that's a drive I, USB drive I. We are using 16 GB drive, but you can use the one that's at least 8 GB. Take a note of this command, xcopy command. We need it later. Now we can go to disk management, where you will see another disk CD-ROM on your disk management. This is ESD-ISO, and it's in UDF format. Now you can open either Windows PowerShell or the command line in administrative or rights privilege. On the command prompt, we now need to prepare our external USB disk drive with the ISO file we just mounted. So enter the command diskpart. So list your disk, which lists all the disks that you have. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3 disks that's listed, and the last one is not the disk, but rather it's a CD-ROM UDF format storage. So disk 2 is our USB drive, so select disk 2. Clean it. Create partition primary. Clean means it's a kind of cleaning or deleting everything in permanent way. Select partition first and activate this partition. and then format this disk2 with quick fs equals FAT32. It's still I'm still not clear why it's FAT32, why not NTFS. Okay, disk part successfully formatted the volume, and then assign this just formatted partition. Okay, now you can see the drive letter or the mount point. Let's exit the disk part. And go to my computer, where you will see that we have our USB drive with a new drive letter. Previously it was I, now it's H. It may not happen, but it may happen for you. In most of the cases it's unlikely to happen. So in our case, now H is the disk drive we just formatted. G still remains the mounted Windows ISO drive. Okay, back to command prompt. Use this command xcopy. That means copy all content of our mounted ISO drive G onto the drive that we just formatted and assigned from the disk part utility. That's our drive, USB drive H. From the mounted ESD-ISO into our USB drive. So this will copy all files, all required files from the mounted drive, ISO mounted drive, into the USB drive. Okay, that's copied and it's good to go. Now your drive is ready, and then you can use it to boot from UEFI device on your PC's hardware. Going on to my computer or my PC, you can verify that all files have been copied and it's ready as a bootable UEFI drive. Now you can go to your BIOS of your PC and then select the select the boot priority with a UEFI disk enabled. You can again verify going from the disk management. Thanks for watching. Happy booting with UEFI bootable disk.